How to leave a group in session. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you need to leave a group chat in session, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch the session app and log into your account. And from your chat list, tap on the group chat you want to leave. On the next page, tap on the profile picture of the group at the top right. This will open the settings option. Here, click on Leave Group. Now, if you are the only admin in the group, then you'll need to go ahead and make someone else the group's admin first before leaving. Tap on Add Admin and select any other member you want to add as an admin. If you have a couple of options over here, you will be able to select them. If you want to leave the group without deleting the group, then you can add admin and select any other contact you want to make an admin first. But if you want to delete the group, then you can tap on the delete group button. So right after you do that, if the admin is selected, you'll be able to leave the group easily. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.